Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Students, in this lecture, I am going to start new concept, the concept of volume. Fine. So, you will not write anything. Put your whole concentration on understanding. After that, I will give you time for writing the formulas. Fine. So, volume. The space occupied by any object is called volume. If I am talking about this glass, okay, then in this glass you will observe length, breadth, height, all the three dimensions, length, breadth, height, known as dimensions. Okay, so the space, what is volume? If I want to find the volume of this glass, okay, then what is the definition? The space occupied by this glass. If I put this glass on the book like this, the space occupied by this glass is known as volume. You will not say, sometimes the students will say, ma'am, the space occupied by anything is termed as area also. तो हमने इसमें area क्यों नहीं find किया? Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. When we are talking about plane objects, plane. This is plane. This is plane. In which we have only two dimensions. In that case, we will apply the concept of area. Okay. But if we are talking about an object in which you will observe length, breadth, height, all the three dimensions, then you will not apply the concept of area, you will apply the concept of volume. बेटा वो आपको अपने क्वेश्चन से ही पता लग जाएगा. If the question is based on area, then two dimensions are given. Okay. But if the question is based on volume, then three dimensions are given. तो आपको वहां से भी hint मिल जाएगा क्वेश्चन से भी. Okay. Now tell me one thing. If I want to find the space occupied by this page, space occupied by this page. Now tell me which concept you will apply here, area or volume. Write down in the chat box, I am waiting. If my question is the space occupied by this page of book. Very good response. Area, because this is plane. Because this is plane. So we will apply the concept of area. Now, but if I am talking about the space occupied by this book means front, back, top, bottom. Then you will apply which concept? Very good, volume. Yes, well done, my dear students. Yes. So, definition is same. Area is space occupied, volume is space occupied, but area is the space occupied by plane. कुछ भी plane, like this whiteboard is plane figure. This is plane. So अगर मैंने इसकी space occupied find करनी है, तो मैं इसका क्या find करूंगी? Area. Okay, because this is plane. So you have to know the definition of area and definition of volume. Fine. Now students, in your syllabus you have the concept of volume of cube and volume of cuboid. In your syllabus you have these two concepts, volume of cube, volume of cuboid. Students, write down in the chat box. You know what is the difference between cube and cuboid? Yes, I'm waiting. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Kaushlinder. Yes. Kaushlinder, beta, raise your hand. Yes. Kaushlinder, unmute yourself.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Very good morning.
मैम क्यूब की सारी साइड्स एकदम सेम जैसी होती है पर क्यूबॉइड की नहीं होती।
Very good. Well done. Yes. So, like square and rectangle. Like square and rectangle. Okay. So, cube. Cube is made up of square. Cube is made up of square. Okay. In which you will observe all the three sides equal. So volume of cuboid is made up of rectangle. So this is the difference between cube and cuboid. Cube is made up of square, okay, and cuboid is made up of rectangle. So this is a basic difference between cube and cuboid. So if I am talking about formula of volume, then for cube we have, Kaushlinder, what is the area for square?
मैम साइड इनटू साइड।
Side into side, na? So cube is made up of square. So side into one more side. Okay, three things. In area, we have two dimensions. In volume, we have three dimensions. So side into side into side. Kaushlinder, what is the area of rectangle?
मैम लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ।
Yes. So volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So you will introduce one more dimension. This is, you know the area, students pay attention. Area of sphere is side into side. Okay? Side into side, this is the area of sphere. Now the volume of cube, as you know, cube is made up of sphere. Cube किससे बनता है? Sphere से बनता है. Same, side into side, look, side into side, one more side. You will introduce one more side. Now area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So cuboid is made up of rectangle. So you will introduce height along with L into B. So very easy. आपको कभी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी अगर आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग से करोगे तो ठीक है. So students, write down both the formulas. Volume of cube, side into side into side. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. And in exam आपको बेटा ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, क्यूब इज मेड अप ऑफ डैश, cuboid is made up of dash. Okay, so note down also, cube is made up of square and cuboid is made up of rectangle. Squares, rectangles, not one square, so many squares combine to form cube. So many rectangles combine to form cuboid. So very important concept. Note down. Very good, Kaushlinder. Well done, beta. Note down, students. Formulas. Both the formulas as well as these two parts. Cube is made up of squares and cuboid is made up of rectangles. After this, I will start exercise 14B. So after writing, write down in the chat box we have done. Then I will start exercise. Yes. Now come to the exercise 14B. Yes. 14B exercise. First question. Question number first. Find the volume of cube and side is given to you 14 centimeter. One more thing, students, one more thing. Okay, unit. What about unit of volume? Unit of volume. As unit of area is unit of area, centimeter square, centimeter power 2. So the unit of volume is centimeter power 3. So in this, because in this we have three dimensions: length, breadth, height. Okay, three dimensions, three. So here you will write power 3, centimeter power 3. So this is known as centimeter cube. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. फाइन. So keep in your mind, in area we have two dimensions. So you will write here centimeter square. But in volume we have three dimensions. So you will write centimeter power 3, centimeter cube. Fine. So first question. First of all, you will write yes, Tanishq.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
मैम जैसे आपने बोला है कि सेंटीमीटर 3 आना है उसकी जगह सिर्फ के, तो फिर मैम जैसे बुक में लिखा है कि क्यूब के लिए CU सेंटीमीटर ऐसे.
हाँ तो बेटा
ऐसे लिख
तो क्यों सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को मैं कहती नहीं थी सेंटी स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर लिख लो, तो आप सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को क्यूब सेंटीमीटर लिख लो. दोनों सेम है, कोई डिफरेंस थोड़ी ना है. जैसे मर्जी
ओके
लिखो.
मैम.
मैं सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर को ऐसे नहीं कहती कि स्क्वायर पहले लिख के सेंटीमीटर लिख लो, तो आप इसको CU क्यूब पहले लिख के सेंटीमीटर बाद में लिख लो. इसमें क्या है?
ओके मैम.
Now first question. First of all, you will write the given. What is given? Given side is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. So first of all, you will write this thing. Given side 14 centimeter. And the question is to find the volume of cube. Now apply the formula capital V. Capital V is used for volume. So apply the formula side multiplied by side multiplied by side. So this is the formula. Put the value. Side is given to you 14. So 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. So start your multiplication and write down your result in the chat box. 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14 will give 42. Sahaj, this is not plus, this is multiplication. Sahaj. Kaushlinder, beta, your answer is incorrect. Agampreet Singh, yes. 2744 centimeter power 3. Yes. 2744 centimeter cube. Centimeter power 3. Your wish. centimeter cube. If you want to write, then write. But if you want to write 2744 cubic centimeter, both are same. There is no difference. दोनों में कोई difference नहीं है. So both are same. Your wish, either write centimeter power 3 or cube. Cu means cube. Cube centimeter. Both are the same thing. If centimeter is given, then you will write centimeter. If meter is given, then you will write meter. If millimeter is given, then you will write millimeter. So observe your unit given in the question very, very carefully. Fine. Note down. Then we will start B part. Students, start solving B part. Start solving B part. In the B part, now what is side? 17 millimeter. Millimeter. Now millimeter is given to you. Okay. So put value here. 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17. Do the multiplication, and in exam you will show each and every calculation in fear. Don't write result directly. Don't write. Show the multiplication here. Okay. Now write down what is the result. Amanpreet saying your answer is incorrect. You are writing here millimeter. Millimeter is not the unit of volume. Amanpreet, millimeter is not the unit of volume. What is the unit of volume? Write down in the chat box. Very good, Hemang Arora. But Hemang, your multiplication is incorrect. Bhumika, very good. Okay. So 4930. This is millimeter. So millimeter power 3. This is very compulsory power in volume. Students, I am repeating again and again. If the question is based on volume, then this 3 is very much compulsory. If you are writing here only millimeter, अगर आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ millimeter लिखते हो तो ये तो perimeter की unit है. Simple millimeter is the unit of perimeter. But the question is based on volume. So volume means all the 3 dimensions. Here write 3. Very much compulsory to write 3. Because here we have all the 3 dimensions: length, breadth, height, and all the dimensions with multiplication. Okay. So write down. After this, come to the second question. Let's start with second question. Second question is based on find the volume of cuboid. So start writing a part. What is given? All the 3 dimensions are given. All the 3 dimensions. Okay. Length is 15 centimeter. Breadth is 12 centimeter. And height is 3 centimeter. Yes. What is the formula? What is the formula? Students, I am waiting, beta. Very good, Mansher. Well done. Well done, Raymond. Very good, Mansher. Yes, well done. Yes, very good, Adnan. So volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, this is the formula because the question is based on volume of cuboid. So 50 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3. So do the multiplication quickly. Agampreet, no, 540 is not the result, beta. How 540? 15 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3. First of all, Akansh, 90. How 90? Yes. Very good, Kaushlinder. Mansher, your answer is incorrect. Lavish, answer is correct. 540, 540. Yes, very good. 540 centimeter power 3. Don't forget to write this 3. Okay, this is very important. 540 centimeter power 3 or cubic centimeter. This is your wish. Yes. After this, come to the E part. After this question from your book, concentrate on E part. What is third? What third, Kiranjot? Kiranjot, what third, beta? Yes. Kiranjot, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What third, beta? You are writing here 3. What 3?
मैम जो आंसर पे आपने लिखा है 540 सेंटीमीटर 3.
Speak loudly.
मैम जो आपने आंसर पे लिखा है 540 सेंटीमीटर 3.
Okay. Fine. This 3. Okay. Yes. Now come to the E part. Yes. E part is length is 500 centimeter, breadth is 200 centimeter, and height is 1.6 meter. Sahaj, unmute yourself. Sahaj.
मैम वो पहले का हैंड रेस था.
Okay, fine. I know better. Now tell me, how can you solve this sum? Length is 500 centimeter, breadth is 200 centimeter, and height is 1.6 meter. How can you solve this sum?
मैम फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई L into B, then we multiply B into H.
No.
Ma'am, firstly we change 1.6 meter into centimeter.
Yes, very good. Meter units are different.
Thank
Length is 500 centimeter, breadth is 200 centimeter, but height is 1.6 meter. So different units. With different units, we are not able to solve the sum. Fine. So write relation here. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. You know now, 1 meter. Meter is 100
Yes, ma'am.
centimeter. So you will write here 1.6 in place of meter multiplied by 100 centimeter. Now, Sahaj,
Yes, ma'am.
next. Bhumika, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Now, Bhumika, tell me how can you solve this thing?
first we multiply 1.6 with 100. मैम आंसर आएगा मैम 1 सेकंड.
Answer is? How
Ma'am,
can you solve
one-
this? How will you represent this thing? How will you show the calculation of this thing here? Tell me.
मैम आंसर 160.
Answer is 160. Tell me how.
मैम 500 multiply by 200
I am
multiply
talking
by
about Bhumika, this thing only. 1.6 multiplied by 100. I am talking about only this thing. You are saying after multiplication we will get 160, na? How? How will we get 160? This is my question for you.
मैम
Because in
multiply कर
exam you will not write directly. You will show the procedure here, na?
मैम यस.
Now tell me how the answer is 160. This is my question. बेटा इसका 160 आंसर आया, कैसे आया वो आप यहाँ पे पेपर में करोगे ना.
मैम
Directly
यस.
अगर 160 लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स थोड़ी ना मिलेंगे. बताओ मुझे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके 160 कैसे बना.
मैम उसका पॉइंट कट करके.
हाँ, you will remove the point and this will change to 16 divided by 10 multiplied by 100. Okay, so 0 0 cut, so 16 multiplied by 10 will give 160 centimeter. Yes, you have to show this in fair. Either multiply
Yes,
directly, show the multiplication here. अगर नहीं multiplication करनी तो do like this. After decimal we have one decimal place. One decimal place, it means when you will remove the decimal you will write 10 in the denominator. 0 0 cut and you will get 160 centimeter. Okay,
yes मैम.
the volume is length into breadth into height. So length is 500, breadth is 200 and height is 160.
160 centimeter.
Yes. So after multiplication, you will get how many zeros? So after 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter power 3. Yes. So like this you will solve the sum. Okay. So this conversion is very important as all the units are different. Fine. Now students, start solving. Come to the next F part. After this, come to the F part. Beta, wait, I am going to take your attendance. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. Read question from your book. Now, fine. Now come to the F part. In the F part, length is given to you 240 millimeter. Breadth is given to you 4.5 centimeter. And height is given to you 7.03 meter. 240 millimeter, breadth is 4.5 centimeter and height is 7.03 meter. Now, all the three units are different. Look, this is millimeter, this is centimeter and this is meter. सारी की सारी अलग है. All the three units are different. Fine. Now your wish, आपकी मर्जी है. There is no compulsion. Your wish, मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, मिलीमीटर में कर लो. If you want to convert to centimeter, then convert to centimeter. And if you want to convert to meter, you can convert this to meter. This is your wish. There is no compulsion. Okay? Now, Raiman, unmute yourself. Raiman, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Raiman, speak loudly. Now, you want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
convert?
Ma'am, meter into millimeter.
You want to convert centimeter and meter both to millimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, how will you convert?
Ma'am, first we will write 4.5
Yes.
multiplied by 100. Then we will cut the decimal and write 10, 45
Hey, you
over
want to
10.
change this to Raiman, 1 minute. Raiman, you want to change this to millimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you will not multiply this by 100. Recall the table. King Henry died. King Henry died. Mother didn't cry much. Use this table as all the three units are different. So check this table. King Henry died. Mother didn't cry much. We have done now.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done this thing now. Now you want to change centimeter to millimeter. Students, your wish. There is no compulsion. As Raiman is changed the units to millimeter, so I am explaining that thing. Okay, but you will also use this table. आपने भी यही table use करना है. Now Raiman, centimeter to millimeter. How many jumps?
Ma'am, one jump is
One
equal
jump.
to 10.
One jump on right hand side. It means 4.5 multiplied by 10. One jump means 10. Two jump means 100. Three jumps means 1000. And jump on the right hand side because this is centimeter. You are here. So this is 45 divided by 10 into 10. So 45 millimeter. Similarly, tell me what about
Yes.
this meter?
Ma'am,
What about this meter? You are here.
ma'am, we will multiply it by 1000.
Yes, because you are here, you are on meter and you want to reach millimeter. 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps on right hand side means 7.03 multiplied by 1000 like this. So 703 upon 100. So 7030 millimeter. So if all the 3 units are different, then you have to use this table. Okay? ये अपना टेबल रिवाइज करो जो हमने कन्वर्जन वाले चैप्टर में किया था. मूवमेंट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड मींस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अगर मूवमेंट लेफ्ट साइड पे होती इट मींस डिवीजन. नाउ अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. वॉल्यूम इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. नाउ लेंथ इज 240, breadth is 45 and height is 7030.
7030.
Yes, 7030. So 240 multiplied by 45. Students, if you know the result, then write them in the chat box. According to Harshika, 75924. Yes, very good, Harshika. 75924. 1, 2, 3 millimeter power 3 millimeter. As we have converted each unit to millimeter ना, हमने millimeter का opt किया. We opt here millimeter. So in the end you will write millimeter cube. This is very much compulsory. और this is not compulsion भी आपने millimeter में ही करना है. Your wish. जिसमें मर्जी चेंज कर दो. चाहे मीटर और मिलीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दो. But use this table very wisely. Okay? Yes. Start solving G part. Students, start solving G part. Solve G part by self and write down your result in the chat box. Adnan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we solve G part?
Ma'am, to solve G part, first we will convert 9500